Join me as I take on the challenge of creating some mind-blowing outdoor art that will leave everyone speechless. Outdoor art has the power to transform public spaces, making them more vibrant, more thought-provoking, and more engaging. It's an art form that can bring people together, spark conversations, and create a sense of community. Today we're going to explore some of the most incredible examples of outdoor art that will leave you speechless. For many of us, art is often associated with galleries and museums, where we have to pay to enter and whisper to each other while we walk around. But what if art could be more accessible, more inclusive, and more immersive? What if it could be a part of our daily lives rather than something we experience only on special occasions? Outdoor art challenges this traditional notion of art, bringing it out of the confines of a gallery and into the open spaces where everyone can enjoy it. The challenge of creating outdoor art lies in its very public nature. It's not just about creating something beautiful, it's about creating something that can withstand the elements, something that can be appreciated by people from all walks of life, and something that can tolerate the wear and tear of daily use. It requires a deep understanding of the space, the community, and the message that the artist wants to convey. But when done well, outdoor art can be truly breathtaking. It can evoke emotions, spark imagination, and inspire creativity. It can bring people together, create a sense of belonging, and foster a deeper appreciation for the world around us. Let's dive into some of the most remarkable outdoor art pieces that showcase the power of creativity and imagination. In the heart of Melbourne, Australia, there's a street art installation called the Dimpled Thigh. It's a stunning depiction of a woman's legs, created entirely out of concrete and steel. The intriguing thing about this piece is that it's not just a beautiful work of art, it's also a commentary on body image and the beauty standards that we're often bombarded with. In Rio de Janeiro, there's a breathtaking mural that covers an entire cliff face, transforming a barren landscape into a vibrant work of art. The mural is so enormous that it can be seen from miles away, and it's become an iconic landmark in the city. In New York City, there's a beautiful installation called the Unisphere, which is a stunning depiction of the world, created entirely out of steel and water. The intriguing thing about this piece is that it's not just a beautiful work of art, it's also a commentary on global unity and the interconnectedness of our world. But the most stunning piece of outdoor art that I want to share with you today is the Tree of Tenerife. Located in the middle of the Sahara Desert, this tree is the only one within a 250-mile radius. And yet, it's become a symbol of hope, resilience, and determination. The tree has been decorated with colorful ornaments, creating a breathtaking spectacle that can be seen from miles away. As we explore these incredible outdoor art pieces, we're reminded of the transformative power of art. It has the ability to inspire us, to challenge us, and to bring us together. It has the power to make us see the world in a new light, to appreciate the beauty in the mundane, and to inspire us to be more creative, more imaginative, and more compassionate. Outdoor art is not just about creating something beautiful, it's about creating something that can inspire communities, that can foster a deeper appreciation for the world around us, and that can bring people together. So, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite outdoor art piece, and what does it mean to you? Share your experiences, your thoughts, and your stories in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on art, creativity, and inspiration. Thanks for watching.